Okay, so now in this video, we're going to take a look at Hootsuite. And this is going to be a self-paced course for everybody to go through the process and get certified by Hootsuite, one of the world's most popular social media marketing platforms, in the basics of social media marketing. We have a free course lined up for you through our educational contacts with the company. So in this video, we're going to show you how to get enrolled, the first steps into getting into the course and starting the course on your self-paced journey. We'll talk about how to take the test when you think you're ready to take that test at the end, and then you'll get your certification and put it on your student portfolio, share it on your resume, or also in other places that you might want to as well. Right? So if we look on our website, we have what is Hootsuite, right? This is just an introductory video, week 6.1, about the Hootsuite platform, what it is, and what you can get out of it. And I encourage you to watch that video before you get started, just so you have an idea what Hootsuite is. The most important thing, though, is this 6.2. Let me make this a little bit bigger for us. Right? 6.2, get instructions for getting started in the course. If you open that page, it has a list of instructions, 6 steps to get your certification. The steps are to get an account on Hootsuite, fill out a form so you can get a coupon code for a free certification. This is important. Otherwise, you have to pay $200 US to do this. Please do not, again, I'm going to probably say this a couple times, please do not spend any money on this. Do not enter your credit card information if it asks. Do not do any of that. This is all free if you do it correctly. No money to be spent. So if you see something that asks you for money, do not do it. If you do all these steps properly, everything will be free. Okay? So you'll sign up for an account. You'll fill this form out to get your coupon code so you can take the test for free. Then you'll go to the social marketing course, which is in the Hootsuite Academy. There are all these links here. Then when you're ready, there's an exam link here. And at the end, step 6 is to put your certificate on your student portfolio, show it to the world, show that you are now certified by Hootsuite. There's a couple of extra links here and a help link if you need help with the Hootsuite stuff. Of course, we're going to be helping ourselves in class, and I'll be helping you as well if you should have problems with the platform. Right, so let's go through these step by step. So first one, if you click on this one, click here to make an account. So I'm going to click on this just to show you where it goes. So I'm already logged in. I'm going to sign out once I sign back in just to show you how that looks. Sign up. You're going to go to the sign up page, right? It says sign up or log in. When you sign up, there's a very important way to do this so everyone can understand how to get in there correctly. You're going to sign in by social account. It keeps logging me back in. All right, here we go. This is the page I wanted to show you. So when you log in, you can create a free account. What I really want you to do when you create this is to use your Google account. And so it's going to show you sign in with Google. And please use your cuffs.ac.jp email address or your Google login. Therefore, you don't have to make a new account. You don't have to remember a password. Right? And so after you log in, you should have a welcome and then your name listed here, possibly your student number. Right? So that's signing up for a Hootsuite account. Hootsuite.com. You should also be available on education.hootsuite.com. So after you sign up, get an account, you'll have to go to the next link, step number 2, and that's this form. I'll click on that, and you go to this page. Looks like this. Learn social media with Hootsuite. Get started with Hootsuite. Now there are 2 exams they're going to give you for free, but you have to apply for access. And I've applied our domain. You guys should be able to get access by just clicking on this. And then you're going to enter your name, first name, last name. Please put it in English, and then your email address. Now, what's important about this email address is that it's the same as the account you signed up for in step 1. If you make them different email addresses, this is not going to work properly. So please make sure you use your same email address. That's why we're going to try and use our cuffs.ac.jp. You're going to put in Kyoto Gaidai, Kyoto University of Foreign Studies. And then you're going to come here and you're going to put higher ed student. And then you're going to click on apply for access. Then what's going to happen is they're going to send you an email with a coupon code. And that coupon code is going to link to something that looks like this. And that coupon code here's my coupon code, right? So whenever it asks you to pay money to take your test, you're going to enter this coupon code, and then it becomes free, right? I'll show you that in just a second. So it's very important that you remember or save your coupon code when it gets sent to you via email. Right? So that's step 2. Next is to start the social media campaign certification course. That's step number 3. I'm going to open that up. Right? And it looks like a social media certification course. You can watch an introduction video, and then you can just enter the course by clicking this button here. I'm already logged in, so it's going to ask me to it's asking me for money now, right? But you don't want to give them money. You can give them a coupon code. So it says have a coupon. You click on that, and then I'm going to go back and find my coupon code. Here it is. I'm going to copy it. Go back to my page where it was asking for the coupon code. Where are you? This one? Yeah, here it is. Coupon code. We'll put that in here. Paste it in there. Click apply. Oh, it says invalid. I think it might say invalid for me because I've already applied this and I'm doing this for the second time. Let me see, where is it? Show. Oh boy. Well, that didn't work for me, but it should work for you guys because I'm already logged in and because I already have access to the course, which looks like this. So as soon as you go through that, you're going to get a course that looks like this. Let me blow this up a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. So what we have here on the side is it shows you how much you've completed. It's got a welcome. It's got a couple of welcome videos. And it has these sections which you can pull out. So introduction to social media networks. These are all optional videos you can watch to introduce to you what the basics of Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Snapchat, and TikTok for business. You don't have, whenever it says optional, you don't have to watch it. That's just up to you guys. So it has all these videos to introduce what these things are. Then chapter 2 has an overview, and it's going to tell you the best practices. These are a lot of short videos. They're between 2 and 3 minute videos. So if you have an extra 10 minutes during the day, you can come on here and watch a video and go through this course. You watch a couple of videos, and then at the end, it might ask you for a quiz, and you'll take the quiz just to make sure that you're understanding what all the videos that you're watching. And there are 6 chapters, right? Each one has, I'm going to say roughly an hour of things to do and watch if you intently do everything. So at the end, you'll have an exam. And social media exam is here. And then down to here it says take the exam. And when you click on the exam, it's going to take you to the course page, and then it's going to get you started into taking an exam. It's about, I think, 20 minutes, 25 minutes to take the exam. And if you pass, I think with 70% or more, you're going to get a certificate that looks a little bit like this. Right? It says Certificate of Achievement from the Hootsuite Academy. It'll have your name on it, and it says you have social media marketing certification. You'll save this image, download it, and then display it on your student portfolio. Right? That's the last step in our um, in our 6 steps to get certified. Now, you can do this at your own pace. If you ever have problems logging in, hopefully the coupon code works for you guys as well. This is the second time I'm doing it, so it'll be a little bit different for me. And by the end of the semester, we want to add this certificate to your student portfolio. So you have 2 months roughly to get it done, get it in there by the end of January, before we finish this course, to go through and get your certification. So that is, in a sense, the how to get started in Hootsuite and the Hootsuite training course.